Okay, guys. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Baka mapasa ko 'to mamayang gabi na. So, good evening guys. Kayo nasa bahay na kayo. Ako kawawa nandito pa kasi naka-time in. But anyway, sige lang, 'wag ka nang magreklamo sir. Kanina ka pa, nagrereklamo ka talaga. Unfair! Anyway, problem number 15 tayo. 3-point charges are arranged on a line. Charge Q3, 5 nanocolumn and is at the origin. Charge Q2, drawingin na lang natin. So, charge Q3 nasa origin. Q3, 5. Q3, 5 nasa origin. So, drawing tayo nito ng graph. Ay, ang pangit ang sulat ko. Katulad din sa akin. Sige lang. I'm already taken. So, dito yung isa. Meron ditong isang proton. Proton ba? Oh. Meron ditong isa na sa origin daw. Ano ba yung sabi niya? 5 nanocolumn. So, this is positive. So, positive Q3. This is 5 nanocolumn. And then, you have charge Q2, negative 3. Positive 4. So, nandito naman siya. 1, 2, 3. Sabihin dito, meron ditong isa. Diba? Yung charge niya is negative 3. So, this is a negative mo. So, may marami siyang electron or baka electron to siya. Q3, negative 3. Negative 3 nanocolumn. 0.30 nanocolumn. So, 4 centimeter away. 4 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay. So, you can see. And another is charge Q1 is at X is equal to 2. So, charge Q1 daw nasa X is equal to 2 centimeter. Lagyan natin. Q1 is at 2. Dito banda dito. O, meron dito. Positive, negative, positive. Hindi. Wala. Hindi siya nagbigay kung ano siya, positive or negative. Basta nagsabi siya, charge Q1 is at 2 centimeter. O, 2 centimeter. So, Q1 to siya, Q1. Q1, ito Q2. Ito yung Q3. Okay. What is Q1? Magnitude and sign. Ano ko yung Q1? Magnitude and sign. Actually, yung sign, kung negative charge siya. Kung positive is positive charge siya. Diba? Yun lang. So, what is the sign? Usually, pag negative, maglalagay lang naman kayo ng D na answer, diba? Kung negative yung lalabas. Pero kung positive siya, yung default natin, wala lang. Diba? So, what is the Q1 magnitude? So, actually, pag mga ganitong problem, you can actually analyze. What is Q1? Charge Q3 and is charge Q1. What is Q1? If the net force on Q3. So, meaning, yung dalawa is magka-counter or magre-react sila dun kay Q3 ng 0. Meaning, itong Q1 to Q3 and Q2 to Q3 is 0. Ibig sabihin, in terms of word, F3, yun yung force na nasa kay Q3 na kinontribute ni Q1 at ni Q2. So, in terms of words, F3 is actually F of 1 on 3. Tapos, yung F of 1 on, of 2, F2 on 3. Usually, mapapansin nyo yung mga on 3, yun yung tinutukoy na F3. Ha? Tingnan nyo. Okay? So, i-consider nyo bawat dalawa. Dalawa-dalawahan. Kasi yung column flow natin, it only holds to 2 charges. So, ibig sabihin, for Q1 and Q3, so that would be F1 on 3. So, 0 tong F3. So, 0. Lagay mo lang yan. F1 on 3 is, di mo alam kung ano siya. So, ilalagay mo lang kung yung formula. K Q1, Q3, tapos yung distance nila, sabihin ko, that would be an R13, R13 squared. Yung 1, 3, yun yung 1 at saka 3 na distance. Okay? Tapos, plus, yung 2 on 3, ito, pwede nating ma-analyze. Si positive, ito is positive charge, ito ay negative charge. Yung force dito ay gaganon. Yung force dito ay gaganon because this is attraction. Diba? So, kung attraction sila, si Q2 is, ito yung F2 on 3. Diba? F2 on 3 na papuntang left. So, magni-negative siya. Okay? Magni-negative. So, pwede kong i-resend to kasi papunta sa left yung negative. So, that would be a minus. So, negative K, Q2, and Q3 all over an R2, 3 squared. Okay? And then, yung problema ko is, ano raw si Q1? Ito yung question kasi, si Q1. So, pwede kong ilagay sa magkabilang lugar. So, K, pwede kong sabihin, K, Q1, Q3, all over R13 squared is equal to K, Q2, Q3, all over an R23 squared. So, yung K, pwede ko lang i-cancel siya. Okay? Yung Q3, pwede rin, makikita niyo si Q3, both appear on the equation. So, pwede ko lang yung cancelin. So, mangyari, si Q1 is equal to an Q2 and R13 squared all over R23 squared. Diba? So, substitute na ako. Ano si Q2? Q2 is 3. So, tatanggalin mo lang yung mga sign nila para di kayo malito. Kasi naka-absolute value man yan sila. So, that would be 3 nano column. So, 3 times 10 to the 9. So, that is nano column. And then, yung distance ng 2 sa 3. Tama? 2, 3? R13, sorry. R13. Yung 1 at saka 3. Ito. Which is 2 centimeter. So, 2 centimeter yung R13. So, 2 times 10 to the negative 2 centimeter. So, and then, i-squared natin yan. Okay? Sa baba naman, meron tayong R23. Yung R23, I think that is 4. Ito. Yung distance ng 2 at saka 3, which is 4. Which is 4 centimeter. So, 4 times 10 to the negative 2 meter squared. Okay? And then, yung lalabas mong Q1 is column. Okay? So, 3 exponent negative 9 times 2 exponent negative 2 squared all over 4 exponent negative 2 squared. So, yung lalabas is 7.5 times 10 to the negative 10 column. Okay? At saka positive siya. So, again, pwede na naman tong 0.75 nano column. Pupunta na naman that 0.75 nano column. So, positive siya. So, meaning, positive charge. Meaning, si Q1 is a positively charged. Meaning, parang protonic siya. Magkakaroon sila ng repulsion. Okay? So, kung mayroong repulsion, ito ay papunta rito at ito ay papunta rito. So, actually, pwedeng ma-analyze kanina, no? na ito talaga is dapat mag-positive kasi yung kukontra lang nito kasi kanina is kuwan sila attraction. So, para maging 0 si Q3, dapat meron siyang papunta rito na force, which is, mangyayari yan kung ito is positive. Dapat inuna ko yung kanina. Kasi na-analyze talaga sila before ka kahit mag-answer. Okay? And that is 0.75 nanocoulomb for your Q1. 0.750 nanocoulomb. Okay, that is number 15. 15. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys for listening.